Hello there! Welcome to Scott Lynch Pop. I'm Scott Lynch. In today's video, I thought we'd go ahead and show off the telescopic drive that I have again. I'm once again at my sister's house. This time I'm not my older sisters. I'm at my younger sister's house who happen to just celebrate a birthday today. But anyways, the telescopic drive is set by our front door. Her house is set a little bit different. It's a little bit steeper with the steps, but I thought we'd go ahead and show you all how we get that done here. So we'll go ahead and get it with that.
Yeah. There are ramps there.
Over the ramps. Are you okay? Yes. No, I'm good. Okay. It's still recording, whatever. Here, watch out, Jess.
It
Yeah.
is.
We're gonna back up and go down this ramp. Let's go ahead and I'll turn around and I have to back down. And I'll do the same thing in here first. I hold the camera or hold the wheel. Lean forward.
Forgot he does that, that does help. Leaning forward helps, keeps the weight on the front. Okay, make sure you get the wheels lined up. And Jesse, don't trip when you're going down that step there. Now hang on to the front.
You need to go to the right.
That doesn't sound good.
They lined up good? Okay.
It's hard to say a small prayer first. Overall, works out quite easy. Like I said, her house is a little bit steeper than what my older sister's house is. And as you can see, these ramps pulled up very nicely.
They're lightweight.
So it's gonna be lightweight action. These probably weigh what, 5 pounds apiece if that.
Something like that, I guess. They're aluminum. They're pretty lightweight.
We've got a little case for them
Yeah,
as well.
it's in the car.
And it's in the car. But anyways, we're going to we'll go ahead and get that part taken care of. Thank you all for watching.